How to send money from Skrill to Payoneer. So, hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to Skrill.com, log into your Skrill account, and once you've logged in, you will be routed to your dashboard basically. Now, here in our welcome dashboard, we can see three options. First is pay online, buy and sell crypto, and lastly, send money. Of course, the option that we're going to choose is the third one, which is the send money option. So let's click on this one. Now, here you can actually see send instantly to anyone on Skrill or internationally money transfer. So we're going to click on the second option, which is international money transfer. Click on continue afterwards. Now we're just going to wait for the page to load, and basically it will route us to this page. Now, in order for you to secure your account, just simply enter your phone number and click on continue afterwards. Input the verification code sent to your phone number. All right, so once done, you all you need to do is to simply verify the code, and then to keep your account secure, enter a 6-digit PIN and hit on save afterwards. Now in here, all you need to do is to send or your money. So for example, we're going to hit on continue. You're gonna simply input the amount, and then we're going to also put it in USD, for example, and input the bank account details, debit card or credit card. So click on debit card and then hit on continue afterwards. So all you need to do is to input this one, send to myself if that's your account, input all the necessary information. So for the bank, what we have in here is for Payoneer, since I do have or I'll be using my USD account, I'm going to open receiving accounts. Now in here, I'm just going to click or copy First Century Bank. Now input this one, and then for the account number, I'm going to copy my account number and input it here. Also my routing number, and the account type is this is a checking account basically, and simply click on continue afterwards. After that, there will be the summary page wherein you are going to check and edit all the necessary information, and to confirm, you're gonna hit on the payment section right there. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.